Our experts tested a variety of best coach and referee marker boards at all prices from $9 to $39 in the market. According to our research, we think Murray Sporting Goods coach and referee marker board is the best overall. Read on for a list of our top picks, as well as a buying guide on how to select. There are many products to choose from in coach and referee marker boards, each with different features, benefits, and prices, to help you make a good decision. I have done extensive research, read many reviews, and compiled a list of the best coach and referee marker boards big name brands. After a lot of research, if you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my details. So let's jump to the video without delay. Number 1. Ace Baseball Coach's Clipboard. Fade resistant lines. Baseball softball field layout with 12-person batting lineup that won't fade on whiteboard surface. Easy to wipe off surface. Dry erase baseball softball coach lineup board works with most dry erase markers and has an easy to wipe off surface. Dugout fence clip. Each baseball softball coach's clipboard comes with a dugout fence clip so that everybody on the team is on the same page. Board dimensions. 15 tall x 9 wide. Baseball softball 12-person lineup. Number 2. Elite Clipboards Dry Erase Baseball Coach's Clipboard. Elite Designs. The best lineup of coaches' clipboard designs for basketball, baseball, football, soccer, hockey, lacrosse and volleyball games, practices or one-on-one training. Double-sided design. Allows coaches and players to utilize both sides of the dry erase coach's clipboard, making it easy to communicate, organize and optimize game plans and strategy throughout the game. Materials. Our dry erase coach's marker boards are made of high-quality, durable materials that will hold up throughout the entire season. Marker clip included. Elite Clipboard comes with one elite dry erase marker and one marker clip to hold dry erase marker. Dimensions. Durable 15. Number 3. Football Coaching Board Coach's Clipboard. Superior material. Pull-leather cover plus magnetic pitch plus write and wipe, 2-in-1 marker pen, giving you clear and vivid printing for coaching clipboard. Foldable and easy to use. Coaching clipboard comes with 2 complete sets of magnetic markers so you can easily mark the formation for your team and the opposition. It also can be folded when you're out. Plan training. This tactics folder is great for devising match day strategies and substitutions, but tactic board is also ideal to plan training sessions and help your team come up with innovative set-piece routines that bamboozle the opposition. Great football coach. As a great tool to make coaching strategy before every game, football coaching board is also a great way to explain and reinforce the fundamentals of football for your child. Write and wipe. This football coaching board with a whiteboard marker pen can be a Number 4. Easel's Coach's Helper Magnetic Dugout Board. Lineup, field position and bench are clearly marked. Magnet board and fill-in name strips. Ordering for a league. Save on shipping. Only $2 additional per extra board. For example, 1 board. $11.95, shipping charge. 2 boards. $13.95, shipping charge, save $9.95. 3 boards. $15.95, shipping charge, save $19.90. Savings on shipping only. Boards must all be on same order. Prior orders excluded. Makes your coaching job easier and your kids have more fun. Number 5. Sporting Goods Basketball Coach's Clipboard. Easy to wipe off dry erase marker surface made of high quality, durable clipboard materials. Basketball court design made with crisp, fade-resistant lines to draw up full court and half-court plays. Basketball Coach's Clipboard with strong clip to attach any notes or paperwork during practice, tryouts, back. Front. Full basketball court to help draw up the next winning play, game flow, bull car formations and establishing positioning, back. Enlarged half basketball court for half-court plays and sets. Double-sided Basketball Coach's Clipboard with sturdy clip to hold dry erase marker. Basketball clipboard dimensions. Measuring a 15 tall x 9 wide, same size as your standard office clipboard. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the price of the product, please see my description. For any problem, please comment below. Stay up to date with our great products. It makes your life so much easier.